Hello, in this video, we're gonna draw this drawing here, drawing 1-3 shim, and this one from chapter 1. The book is Discovering AutoCAD 2017 and 2020. In this exercise, we're gonna learn how to use the line tool from the Home tab, the draw panel, and also we're gonna use the snap mode. At the beginning, let's study the dimensions here. The start point is a 3, 1, and we do have 7 units horizontal, then we have 2 vertical, then 1 horizontal, 1 up vertical, and here we have 2 vertical, we have 3 vertical, and this all together is 7. Being this all 7, that means this here we have 2 and 3 is 5, so the rest is 2. Sometimes we need to make some simple calculation to discover the rest of the dimensions. Let's get started at this one. At the beginning, we need to make sure that we do have the snap mode on, which is F9, or just by clicking on the snap mode, and the grid mode on, which is F7. Making it off will make the line disappear. So if the grid line is off, the lines will disappear. If the snap is off, that will not let you snap in and use the correct way to draw this exercise as suggested in the book. Let's click on this arrow and go to snap setting. And here we need to make the snap X spacing 1 and the snaps Y spacing 1. If it's not 1, we can just go over it and just make it 1 and hit enter. Equal X and Y spacing, make them both the same thing. Also, we need to make the grid X spacing with its lines here is 1 and the Y is 1. Also, the major line every 5. So we do have thick line every 5 units. After finishing this, let's click OK. There are several ways to draw the same drawing always in AutoCAD, but for this one, we're gonna use this way. Let's start with the line, or L, enter on the command line. Keep your eye always on the command line. Here we do have a specify first point, and the start point is a 3, 1. So put the cursor on the command line, type 3, 1, enter. And as you see here, this is the first point, and this is 3 points on the X and 1 point on the Y. Now we need to go horizontal. As we see here, we do have 7. So we need to count. Here we have 2 and 5. This is 7 squares. Or you can just type 7 and enter. So this is 7, up 2, then 1. So just follow the point, follow the snap. Because the snap is on, we cannot just go and count the squares. Now we go 1, then we go 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then after that, we go 2 squares up, 2 to the left, 2 down. So we're just giving the directions with the mouse and clicking on the points. Okay, so just calculate the points, how many squares. So here we have 2, and here we have 2, then another 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 1, and close. We should end and close at the same point if we are doing the job correctly. When we finish, we still have this like rubber to continue, but we finish selecting. So at this point, we hit the enter or the escape button to finish selecting. We still have the square in the middle here. So we start line, or we can hit enter again to repeat the last command. As you see here, we have 1, 1, and the square 3 by 3 in the middle. So I click on the points. As I see, I'm drawing on the points. Okay, and I hit enter to finish the drawing. As you see here, we just use the line command, L enter, or just from the drawing panel under the home tab, or L enter. Also, we use the setting. Okay, to save your work, if we need to save our work, you always can go to the application app and click save, and you put the name and put it on the correct place. If you need to save it as, file save as, and that will open it again. You navigate to the place where you want to save it. Okay, then you give it a name and hit the save button. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.